Let's at least check on Mael and my apprentices. These all yours?
You gonna lecture me on drinking?
I wouldn't dare. Just calculating how much it'll hurt to
You can start now. Here, to Sophie, who was always unapologetically Sophie.
To Soph. Seriously though, this is gonna...
Tomorrow comes, but it ain't here yet. I'm not...
Sober's better than deathly hungover.
No, not for that.
Ah.
Go have some drinks.
Gustav! Just the man I wanted to see.
You want a rematch, don't you?
Well, it's my last chance, isn't it?
After tomorrow, you'll be the undisputed
That's tomorrow. What about today?
Who am I to deny you? Fire away.
How many years ago was the fracture?
You're kidding. This is your question.
Yes. When did our world break apart and our luminous city get thrown into the middle of the ocean?
67 years ago.
Brilliant. I concede. You are...
What are you talking about? Every child knows this. The monolith's essentially a reverse...
All right, fine. Another one then. Which was the first expedition to depart?
Expedition 0.
Correct. That still annoys me. They left in year 100. They should be called Expedition 100. Makes no sense. What is Illumina?
Abilities you internalize by using a Pictos in battle after enough times.
Well done. Well done.
Not really. I mean, I created the Lumina Converter.
I hereby officially end our feud.
You big softy.
All right, all right. Here's a token.
I can't believe you're working right now.
Tristan dragged me here.
Is that the final spot? It's amazing you triangulated
Theoretically. I extrapolated from the archives, but so much of the landscape has changed.
I trust your calculations.
Thanks.
It's a good strategy, tracing their steps. They're the only expedition with any survivors, and they made it to the monolith.
Assuming the records are correct, my calculations are correct, that they left.
You need a drink.
Go away, Gustav.
Gustav, we got something for you.
For your field notes. So, when you come back...
They'll definitely want that for the museum. The complete record of the expedition that destroyed the paint.
Oh, and if you find journals from the other expeditions, make sure you save them for us.
I shall faithfully record all our adventures, every strange and wondrous thing.
And Nevrons.
I can do that. And in return, do you solemnly promise to take care of the shield dome while I'm gone?
I promise.
Promise.
Adrien?
I'll use everything you taught us, Monsieur G.
I should check on Maya. She's probably alone, as usual.
Ready for tomorrow?
Yeah. Been ready. What about you? Heard you were elected.
I've already claimed Alon's office.
A view of the Paintress. You're sick of them.
She won't be there for long.
If we fail, though.
When one falls, we continue. We'll pick up, and we'll push on.
I just finished calibrating the Lumina Converter.
Perfect.
Hey, does Lune seem preoccupied to you?
Well, it's Lune.
This feels different.
I haven't noticed anything, but you know her better.
No, she doesn't like people prying. I've known her since we were sick.
Ah, right. You were both apprenticed to her parents.
Yeah.
I can imagine. You came.
I wasn't sure if I should.
You've been avoiding us.
I heard Seba filled my spot after I left.
Yeah.
Do you think I'm a coward for staying?
Do you?
Not anymore. Not all of us can change.
Meaning what? Make yourself accept it.
More like rediscover happiness.
It makes me sad to hear you talk like this. The paintress...
No, you misunderstand. My mind is where I can be free. She can't.
If you say so.
I think there's other survivors out there.
Doubtful.
But not impossible. Maybe if they have shield domes. But they would have been over.
We were lucky the fracture dropped us out here. Bought us time to get our defenses.
I don't know. People are resourceful. And
I like that. Commander?
Gustav, saw you with Sophie.
Yeah, where's your daughter?
Leona's upset. Doesn't want to see me.
Shit.
It's okay. She doesn't need to understand.
Yeah.
I'm counting on you.
No pressure, huh?
Oh no. Lots of pressure. You and Lune and your Lumina tech.
Thanks, but that's not... Everyone... We have a really good team, thanks to you.
Tomorrow comes, my friend.
Doesn't it always?
Come, let's play some cards.
No way.
Ah, that's just what sore losers say. Come now.
Cautious is good.
Ah, we're expeditioners.
Money's no good out there anyway.
'Cause winning's fun. Gustav!
I'm pacing myself tonight.
Ah, you're so boring. It's our last night.
I like that you say when and not...
What am I gonna say? I'm gonna... Hey, Gus.
Looks a bit...
I've been working on...
Your personal...
It's dead.
Sure, why not?
Great.
Call it morbid curiosity.
You won't...
Hello,
Colette.
relics.
That's kind of...
I may not
Ah. Yes, I'm curious.
take good care.
Hey.
Hey yourself. You okay?
Yeah, actually, no.
That's okay.
What about you?
Oh, that was over.
Oh, sorry.
Eh,
I really thought you guys would work out.
it's for the best. I need full focus on the expedition.
Yeah.
Glass of wine?
Keep your sweat to yourself.
Bring Gustav a glass.
Who exactly are you talking to? They can't...
Ah, the ultimate indignity. A farewell party.
I'm betting you've got another...
You wound me. But yes, in fact. Or was it? Always bring backup.
Right.
And I am prepared. Prepared to...
You're such an idiot.
Hey. We've got your Lumina.
Yeah, well, we've only tested it here. Who knows what we'll meet on the main...
Don't worry, buddy.
Great. Thanks, buddy.
Wow, so many expeditioners. That's... your dad. Damn. Now I feel stupid. Oh, Dad. You take it.
What?
I'm not sure I'll ever use it. Maybe I'll go blind like my father, or maybe I want to support the expedition now. It's okay. I don't need the uniform to know my dad's with...
Thanks. I knew I'd find you.
Please. I'm more ready to go than you are.
Yeah, I know. Look, I know we've been over this, but as your guardian, I need to say this one more time. The rest of us only have a year left, but you've got 9 good years before your Gamage. You don't need to leave yet. It's a lot to risk.
1 year out there is better than 9 years in here.
I know you think that, but it's...
If anyone should stay, it's you. You have friends and family who want you here.
So do you.
No, I don't.
Emma thinks of you as family.
Lumiere's not my home. Not the way it... Besides, this way I can keep an eye on you for Emma.
Right. Because she needs eyes everywhere.
Shush. You're lucky you have a sister who cares.
Doubly lucky, since now I have 2.
All right, enough chit-chat. Come on, old man, let's have a duel.
Old man?
You're pretty much the oldest man in Lumiere now, no? Come on.
This time, I'm not messing around.
No shame losing to a superior fighter. Hope your Lumina converter works better than your dueling.
For those who come after.
Too slow, old man.
Now, don't get too confident.
Ah, Emma's here. Your sister's going to be looking for you.
Our beloved chief counselor. Yeah,
Don't get too drunk tonight, okay?
my darling sister has arrived. She'll kill me if I don't say goodbye. The chief counselor honors us with her presence. What? Still mad I'm going?
This is the definition of a fool's quest. My brother's not usually a fool.
I've heard you say otherwise.
You and I both know the political complexities that necessitate the expedition. It's vital for morale, but it's a bloodless guillotine as well.
You should put that in your speech. Very motivating. They might just find it.
There are so many things you can contribute to here in Lumiere that'll have a real impact.
Em, you're doing great work, really. Getting things ready for the last generation. You've got it well in hand here.
We're never going to see each other again.
You're so busy anyway. I barely see you.
Just take care of Mael, okay? Can't believe you're letting her go with you.
Me? You're her guardian too. You stop her.
We're her guardians, not her jailers. She really wants off this island.
Don't you have a speech to give?
You mean the one you so kindly wrote for me?
Just suggestions. I thought it might help you understand.
I do. Understand? I just... Anyway. Yeah, time for my speech. Expeditioners. The Sword of Lumiere. We honor your dedication. We do not take for granted that you dedicate your final year of life to keeping hope alive for all of Lumiere. Some of you are leaving to change the world. Others to discover the secrets of our universe. Some to protect loved ones. Others to find meaning in our all-too-short lives. As you sail into the unknown, know that Lumiere stands with you. When you battle the Paintress, know that Lumiere fights with you. Let the stones of her monolith crumble. Let her body lie at the end of the world. Unable to paint another death, let the stars no longer be hidden by her oppressive silhouette. Let the world once again watch the sun rise without the shadow of her cursed figure. May the wind of renewal take you to the ends of the earth. Tomorrow comes. Thanks to you. Expedition 33. Clair Obscur.
You're old. How did you survive the Gommage? Which expedition are you from?
Fall back! Stop! Come on, we need to go! He's not following. Putain! What the fuck? Who the fuck was that?
Merde! What do we do now?
Regroup at the rally point. The Indigo Tree.
Fuck! Run! Keep going! Come on! Move! Fucking snap out!
You do that, we both die. Hey. Fucking hell. Wake up, Gustav.
Lune. The others.
I know. We're the only ones left. You don't get to die.
It's just a matter of time before we're already dead. Look around, look.
This is not a foregone conclusion. When one falls, we continue. Get up. We need to find a safer place. There are Nevrons around.
Lucien.
This is not the place. The Lumina converter seems intact. It's about time we test it in real conditions.
Putain.
We did it, Gustav. Let's see if your invention lives up to its reputation, shall we? It really works. We're not dead yet.
Yeah.
Come on. There might be other survivors at the Indigo Tree.